Hello and welcome back to Maori Family Farms. Today we're installing Plasson water valves into our water lines that we use for rotational grazing. We're just going to go through the steps and how we do it. First we cut the line, then we heat the line up, making it warm for our T valves. Once you get the line good and heated, we have 1.25 inch line that we're running through our pastures right now. Then we install the T after the line's heated, which is the third step. Sometimes the T's are a little bit hard to get in, and with these Plasson valves and how we bury them, which you'll see at the end, it's kind of hard to get the valve straight up. You want to do that as good as possible. It's usually easier to get the second line on, which you're going to have to heat it again to get it on the other side of the T. But then you're able to straighten it up a little bit when you put a little bit of dirt on the line. But the reason why we do this is we use Plasson valves year round. What we do is we're going to put a standoff up out of the dirt, and we bury it around it so we can reach down in. When we get to the standoff, I'll explain how we do that, and then in a later video I will show you what it looks like for the finished product. We've had Plasson valves buried for about 7 years now. We've never had one froze off. They've worked very well. They're much cheaper than using a standard frost-free spigot. And the other thing is that we really like about it is when you bury the valves, cows can't bump them. They're accessible where you need them, and you don't have to worry about much. Fourth step, we put some sealant on the Plasson valve, go ahead and screw it down, and then tighten it up. And installing a Plasson valve, as far as the valve goes, is pretty simple. What we do a little bit differently is we take a 10-inch pipe to use as our stand-up, and what we do is we try to center the valve in the middle, and then we bury around it. This way, once we get it all done, we're able to reach down, plug our hose in, and use that to water the cows. All I'm doing now is just trying to get a little bit of dirt on it so it's going to be able to stand there. I notched the pipe. This time I'm using double wall pipe. Sometimes I just use heavy wall single pipe. It's whatever we have or whatever's the best deal at the time. They've both worked well for us. After we get everything in place with a little bit of dirt on the line to hold it down, I'm going to come back in with some wood chips to bed the line. A lot of our ground's a little bit shelly in this field, just to protect the line a little bit. Then we'll come back through with the excavator and fill the ditch in. But these valves are very easy to install. They're great for a rotational grazing system, and they've worked very well for us. Hopefully that gives you some ideas for your farm. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Appreciate it very much.